Hey, what's happening? You are watching your second video on how to get to the homework assignment for today. So we're doing our second assignment on Canvas, and it is the compare and order practice. So again, reminder on how to get to Canvas is I logged into my Rapid Identity. I click on the square tile that says Canvas, and then it's going to bring me to all my other Canvas pages, which you should have a few other Canvas pages in there. And we're going to click on the Math 6 20 to 21. Has this nice picture of Math 6, so I know that's what it's going to be. And again, my home page still looks the exact same. Okay, so with my home page now, we are working on target 2 where it says compare and order decimals. So when I click on there, that's going to take me straight into the next target. So you notice here's target number 2. If I scroll up on this, I can actually see target number 1. So I can see kind of all my information. And we've already watched the video compare and order decimals. And now right here, compare and order decimals practice is what we are working on right here. There's 6 points. So if I click on that, so again, I'm under target 2, click right here. Trying to make this faster than it was the last time because this is your second attempt, so you should be able to do that. All right, again, I have unlimited amount of attempts. There's 6 questions, so we click take the quiz and that starts it. Again, however many times I attempt it, it's not going to affect my score, but what it will, what you need to make sure to do is have your answers written down so you know which ones are right and which ones are wrong, so that when you go back in and reattempt the second time, you change the ones that were wrong, but you still put in the correct answers for those other ones, okay? So right here are all the questions. We're going to select answers and then put them in order. When you are putting them in order, make sure they're separated with a comma, put a space in between the number. That just really kind of helps from a formatting standpoint. And then you're going to click this submit button when you are finished. All right, see ya.